What's up, guys? Welcome, Crypto Fud. Let's jump right into this. Dogelon. All right, so just a quick video. Right now, Dog Elon is sitting at around 36, 35.9 to be exact. Um, not much has been going on, but that could be a good thing. We have been slowly making a trend. You want to say maybe towards the upside, making higher lows. I will say we definitely have been getting rejected at this point five at around 3.8. It's happened a couple times. We bounced a little bit over, but quickly were rejected. And we keep, like I say, we whenever we do come down, we're making higher lows. So I mean that does look good. Technically, we would be on an upward trajectory since we bounced down here. This week coming up that we're in right now, today's currently the 20th of March. We do have the Fed meeting coming out this week. There's a 50-50 right now if they're even going to increase interest rates. So the market right now is going to be a little bit volatile. Bitcoin right now is currently sitting over 28,200, which is great. I do think that we're going to see some, movement up, movement down kind of thing until we actually get to the day of the meeting, which is, I believe, is going to be on Wednesday or Thursday. If I'm not mistaken, I don't know. It could be Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, one of those days, but it's coming up in the next few days. So, with that being said, Dog Elon, we have this upward momentum right now, but I do want to just kind of warn everybody right now. If you've noticed, has been moving up very, very much. It's definitely been outperforming everything right now in the market, and that's a little odd. But the reason is because of what's going on with the banks and everything right now. And if you haven't, my last video, make sure you guys watch that as well. Kind of leads up to this. What I'm saying is basically with the whole altcoin community right now, I think it's basically a lag effect a lot of times before in the bull market when Bitcoin Bitcoin was moving when we started the bull market in 21. Bitcoin moved like crazy and the altcoins really were stagnant. They had a little bit of movement up, 5-10%, but nothing crazy. And then eventually, after a few weeks, a month, altcoins basically got affected. And that's when they started shooting up, doubling 2x, 3x, like crazy numbers. So I'm not saying that's going to happen in the next week, but as long as Bitcoin can stay above, you know, at least 27.5, and if we can stay above 28 going past this week, hopefully we have some good numbers coming out of the Fed, meaning like they do a pause. That is on the table. I think there's a little bit higher percent chance that they're going to do a 0.25 just because they want to stay looking like they're hawkish. But the banks in America right now are struggling, and it has a lot to do with the high interest rates. So I think they might increase 0.25 and then do a pause. But some people, there's like a 50-50 chance right now. If you look at the polls where they're calling for a possible pause right now. The market right now has priced in a 50-50 chance. So if we do go up 0.25, that's when we'll probably see a little bit of volatility. Bitcoin might dip a little bit just because it might shock some people. Other than that, if they do a pause, then you're going to see a nice run up, most likely. I don't think it's going to be, Bitcoin's not going to shoot up to $40,000, but we probably might get close or break $30,000. Just take that in, $30,000 from where we've been at in the last like year. So with that being said, Bitcoin hits $30,000. You guys better have your seatbelts on because Dog Elon is going to shoot up. I know things have been very boring. We've been, kind of staying around the same little area that we've been in, but that's what happens. It's right when you get bored and you want to start moving your funds to other projects that are moving, that's when you're going to get left. So stay strong. Again, we're sitting at around 36 right now. Things don't look terrible. Things don't look bad. We bounced off this 200 day, I'm sorry, right here, which was beautiful. That was something that we needed to do, and it did it. So at the end of the day, if we do see some volatility, always look for that 200 day, which is going to be somewhere around 31, 32, basically. So if we do bounce, break this trend, and we're on our way down a little bit because maybe some volatility, if you're looking to jump in, always look for that 32 mark. That's going to be probably the best spot for right now that to add to your bags or to maybe jump into the project. Obviously, not financial advice. That's what I would be looking for around the 32 mark to jump in or maybe add to the bag because that's going to be where we're going to get some solid support. Other than that, we do need to retest this point 0.5, which is going to be around 38. You know, if we keep knocking on this door, we're eventually going to break it. I think we need to just, take it step by step. We need this week to kind of unfold. If we see some good stuff come out of this meeting for the market, that's when we're probably going to break right through this 3.8, which is the 0.5, and we're probably going to be coming back up to this channel, which is going to be around the 4s to 4.2s. So I'm going to leave it there. Everything still looks great. Like I keep telling you guys, have patience. Patience is always going to be key in this market, especially you can feel it. We're so close to getting out of this bear, market and possibly getting into a real bullish narrative area that we're going to be seeing. It's coming. So just have patience. Make sure you guys, I'm not giving financial advice, just my opinion, but that's why I'm giving you out spots like this 32 mark. Make sure you guys are checking those areas out so you can DCA dollar cost average in, add to your bag. So whenever the bull market does shoot off, you'll have a lot in your bag and you can go from there as far as if you want to sell or if you want to, hold on. So other than that, we'll leave it there. Make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel. This week, I will be coming out with major updates as the markets move. Don't want to miss out. Thank you guys so much.